You guys, it is time for your health check. Hey, as we all know, baseball season is here. Fans are back in the stands. We saw a packed ballpark in Arlington this week. You know, doctors from Cleveland Clinic say, look, if you plan to attend a game in person, it should be relatively low risk as long as you're carefully following COVID-19 precautions.
The games are in large, mostly outdoor venues, and that drastically decreases risk of transmission of any respiratory virus across the board. As long as your mask is on while you're at the concourse and there is spacing between people in line, your risk of transmission will be quite low.
Dr. Cabaza, who you just heard from, as he said, does recommend wearing a mask at games because even though you're outside, he says, look, masks can help to reduce the risk of transmission, especially when there's cheering or singing, all of which generate respiratory droplets. And keep in mind, depending on the park, some fans might be asked to physically distance. In some states, you may be asked to show proof of vaccination or even a negative COVID test. The American Red Cross is doing something pretty cool to encourage you to donate blood. So all this month, anyone who donates at one of their blood drives will automatically be entered for a chance to win one of 5 e-gift cards worth $1,000. Okay, how's that for incentive? Right now, they say they really need type O blood donations. By the way, when you donate, they will test your blood, platelet, and plasma donations for COVID-19 antibodies. We've linked more information for you at WFAA.com. And famed zookeeper and late night talk show guest Jack Hanna is retiring from public life. His family says he's been diagnosed with dementia, which they believe has progressed rather quickly into Alzheimer's. So what's the difference between these two diseases? Dr. Jennifer Ashton answers common questions, and we'll have a whole lot more coming up on Good Morning America for you right after daybreak.